Hi folks, Photo Fisher here again. In this quick video I'm going to show you how to make perfect fire tiger stripes every time on your lure or popper body. The secret in getting perfect stripes on your fire tiger lures or poppers is by cutting small stickers. I do this by using a silhouette portrait or some similar home-based die cut machine, which uses a cutting element much like a marker, but it has a very fine point razor tip on it. And then I'll take you over to our software in just a second and show you what it looks like so I can use the software to control this machine to cut stickers. Here in the software control panel for the Silhouette Studio, I've loaded the black and white version of the Fire Tiger stripes that I hand created with markers on white paper, scanned it in, so now I have a black and white version. I'll show you how to convert that into a cutting stencil here in just a second. Here I've selected the pattern. I will move those over, and you can see how easy I can just replicate this many times over and create several instances of the same sticker that we're going to create using vinyl sheeting. Zooming in, you can see that I've created several outlines of the black and white Fire Tiger stripe pattern. It's noted with the red outline. That's the path the razor blade will take in the digital cutting machine. So essentially I'm creating stickers with these cutouts. I'll save you the boring monotony of hearing the cutting machine do its job. It's rather slow. This probably took about 10 minutes to cut all these little intricate patterns on this sheet of vinyl. You can see the cut marks here. Now I'll show you what I do next to get those off of there and on the lure body. I've cut out from the black vinyl sheeting a left and a right tiger stripe pattern. You can see it here in what I'm holding. What I'll do next is take a piece of Scotch tape. I like the cloudy version. It tends to be a little more supple than the clear cellophane tape, and the clear cellophane tape can leave markings at times. And so I just put it on here and cover up one of the sides of the tiger stripe. And I'll peel that off like that and see how the stripes are coming off. Perfect. Now I'll use this tape to apply those stripes to the side of a finished lure body. Here I have a painted tiger stripe pattern popper body, and I'm going to apply this on top of it. Press that down firmly, and then peel the tape back at a very sharp angle, and that will leave the black striping intact. Because it's adhesive backed, it stays there. And that's how you get perfect tiger stripes on a lure body. Hope you enjoyed this little trick on how to do tiger stripe patterns on your lures and poppers.